Hello everyone, my name is Dick Simmons, and I'm advertising these two awesome pets. First, you got the dog. His name is Bart. No, this is Bart, sorry, I can't remember, he's retarded. Yeah, so, about the dog right here. You ever had your dog rubbing his schmeckle over the floor? Yeah, no, she's just done. Then, you have Bart over here. He had Simpsons. He's just like, oh, yeah, he's stabbed. Now he's dead too. Yeah, that's how it all ends. It just ends like that. See, no matter what toys people give you these days, they're fucked up. Can't do anything with them. Him. Just, they're like, whoa. It's just terrible. Terrible. I can't believe it. It's just terrible. It's terrible. You're okay. You're making me die. Everyone's gonna die because of you. You're all gay. You're all gay. Hate you all. Screw you all. She's first. It's gone now. Can't see it anymore. It's in the garbage. So, just remember, Dick Simmons, you get your toys. They're amazing. And you know what? I'll have to throw this little Axe bottle in. Yep. You'd be like, see all the ladies, you'd be like, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, oh yeah. You got that. That's all you have to do. Brought to buy. These prices are $19.95. You can get Doggy, rub his wiener all over your screen, and the Bart, oh kid, oh yeah, dead, yep. And it just ends like that. Just terrible these days. Goddamn kids.